Okay guys, so now to show how battery health charging works, I have Ubuntu Gnome desktop and you can see that what version of Ubuntu I'm currently running, and you can see all the specifications here, right? And now to do that, you first of all you need to install a Gnome extension. Now for that you can use the extension manager. This is an excellent software to browse and install and change settings of the Gnome extensions. So just search for battery health charging or something like that. So you will find the proper extension. These are the some details, and you can see all the supported devices and supported devices with some extra dependencies. Okay, so some PCs you can just use it flawlessly, no dependencies are needed, and some of them need some dependency packages. Okay, now for this laptop I don't need any type of dependencies. Now you can see some error is there, right? But don't worry, because some root privilege is needed to actually work this function. So what you have to do, you have to just open up the settings for that extension. So you can just click on the settings and scroll down in the below. You can see this is the installation and install privilege for the root user, and so you just click install here and type your root password or administrative password, and you can see installation successful. Now this extension should work properly, and where you will find that in the Gnome quick settings menu. That's pretty much easy thing, and you can see this option has three modes, right? Full capacity, balance mode, and maximum lifespan mode. Okay, so because this laptop is a new laptop, Asus ExpertBook P1, and you can also change the settings, the default settings of those three modes. Okay, or you can just put the default one. Okay, so 100%, 80%, and 60%. Now you can change it very easily from the Gnome quick settings menu. Very easy. You can see, just click once and it is done. Now the battery will charge up to that percentage. So it's really easy to expand your battery life. Now currently I'm running KDE desktop environment, and the operating system is Fedora, and I can show you here. Fedora Linux 43 with the KDE version 6.6, and this is my Acer Nitro laptop. Yes, the laptop provider is Acer. In the KDE desktop environment, if the laptop is supported for the battery health charging, then you should go, first of all, just to go to the system settings here and then search for power management and go to the configure advanced settings, and here you will see the option for the battery health charging. That is, you can set a threshold value that up to what percentage the battery should charge, and if it is not supported, then you will see nothing like this. Now for this type of laptops, what you have to do, you have to install some dependencies so that the battery health charging can work. How you can do that? You just open up a terminal and then type this command for the Fedora Linux: sudo dnf copr enable and Acer module. Actually, this copr repository, these are some unofficial repository of some packages that are not included in the official Fedora repository. So you can enable this repository, and then you just type the command sudo dnf update and then sudo dnf install Acer wmi battery. So this package I have to install for my PC because this is an Acer laptop, right? And after installing this dependency, this package, then you can able to install the Gnome extension that I said previously, and it will work fine. And for the KDE, now in the panel here in the bottom, you just right click here and then add or modify widgets, and here you can see the list of widgets already have. And to download more widgets, just click here, get new, download new Plasma widget, and now from the internet you can download some extra widget. Now what I have downloaded, I'm just showing you guys. Now I searched for Acer, and this is the widget I got, Acer battery limit switcher. You just click here once to add in the panel, and you can see here in the panel, this is the battery charge setting. So you can see this is turned on, so battery charge limit is on. So this will limit the battery charge to 80% of the full capacity, and if it is off, then, and of course root privilege is needed to do this. So now it is turned off, so the battery will charge up to 100%. And if you turn it on, hit the root password, and it is now enabled. Okay, so by this way you can actually enhance the life of your battery. So if this video is helpful, then hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and hit the notification bell icon. Okay, so thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video very soon. Till then, take care and goodbye.